everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. What I wanted to do is go through and get some money transferred that I had sent to Ally Bank and to Capital One. So first we are going to start with Ally Bank because it's the easiest. I do also have my planner over here to the side, so you wouldn't be able to see it due to me being zoomed in on the laptop. And yes, this is a laptop. Let me see if I can get this ring light out of your way, that way it won't be too bright. I also may need to make this a little lighter as well, but I don't want to make it too light to where you're not able to tell what it is. So let me do this. So based on what I'm seeing from the top view, which is my camera, it looks like that you guys would be able to see. And I'm just going to zoom in a little bit more. So I do have the blur feature on, so that's why you see some things blurred out at the moment. But no worries, you would be able to see what you need to see. So what I'm going to do is go down here, which shows all of the different accounts that I do have. So the current balance is $7,883.67. And when it comes to Girls Trip, remember I took that money and I put it somewhere else, and I'm just starting over for Girls Trip. So when it comes to Girls Trip, we do want to add $10. When it comes to Random Savings, I also got everything updated to where I just need to change the overall amount. So Random Savings currently have $173.15. And when we add the amount from the budgeted amount, which is $35, that amount will go to, and I'll just, if it can do it, it's $208.15. So why is it not doing it? There we go. So $208.15. When it comes to vacation, remember I'm really not focused on vacation at the moment like I should be, but it currently has $95. Remember, we are adding $40, so that would make it have $135 overall. So I'll do $135. When it comes to as if I had a car, remember my current balance is $950. But what I'm going to do is turn around and add $190. So that brings the balance to $1,140. And I'm just checking to make sure that it's right, which it is. Also, when it comes to get a month ahead, the current balance is $210. And when it comes to get a month ahead, that amount we're adding is $40. So that would bring this amount to $250. So I'll just do $250. And what we want to do is click on distribute. Okay, so what I wanted to do is just double check to make sure that everything is where it needs to go. So when it comes to Girls Trip, that amount is right for $10. When it comes to Random Savings, since I did add $35, the total amount is correct at $208.15. When it comes to vacation, since I did add $40, that amount at $135 is correct. as if I had a car payment. I did add $190, and the amount for $1,140 is correct. And for get a month ahead, since that $40 was added, the amount is correct for $250. What I'm going to do now is go over to Capital One. That way we can transfer some cash. I also may need to log in, so I'm going to pause this video for the moment. Okay, so we are now back into my Capital One account. I do have $50 in gifts. Let's see if this will show properly. Okay, so everything is showing properly. The starting balance for gifts is $50. When it comes to medical, I do have $71.44. Operation Move does have $140. When it comes to the 405.70, that's the amount for car maintenance. When it comes to the $60, that's the amount for Christmas. So let's go ahead and get this money transferred. Let me go back. And let me just make sure we're in the right account. Okay, so what I'm currently doing now is transferring $15 to Christmas. That way we can have, let's see, Christmas started off with 60 bucks. And we're transferring 15, so Christmas would have $75 once I transfer the 15 bucks. So let me go ahead and do that now. What I'm going to do is pause this. Okay, so that's where I transferred $15, and now my balance is $251.10. Let's go ahead and move to the next one. Okay, so next we are transferring $5 to my birthday savings. I already have it set up, so what I'm going to do is click on transfer. And there's the confirmation code. What I'll do is just refresh this. So there it is. The $5 has been added, and what I'll do is go through and move on to the next one, which would be car maintenance. When it comes to car maintenance will get $70. So we're looking at we're picking back up on medical. I already have the $50 set, and the only thing I need to do is click on transfer. So let's do that now. So $50 has been added to medical. Next, let's go ahead and move $70 over to Operation Move. So I have that on the screen, and the only thing I need to do is click on Success. Next, we're doing savings for gifts. So it's getting $35. I already have it up on the screen, and the one transfer success. Next, I'm doing the one for extra Roth. So we are sending $6 and some change over. So I'm going to click on transfer, and there's the confirmation for it. Now we're down to the last, let's see what's left, the last $15. So let's see where the last $15 is going. And I'm just going to double check. Okay, so it looks like I sent way too much money over to Capital One. So I'm going to figure out where I want the other money to go. I've already sent an additional $10 over to my birthday. Well, $5 on top of the $5 that I've already sent. And then I'll just have this balance here of 10 bucks. So what I want to do is leave that there, and I'm just going to double check on my end to make sure I didn't miss anything. I don't believe I did. If I didn't, I'll just put that money in one of the other savings. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great rest of your day.